What have you done with my hotel, Polly? What have you done to my hotel?
What?
Look!
Oh, it's nice. I like it there.
Look!
You're hurting me.
What have you done with my dining room door? Where is it?
I don't know.
Why don't you know? I left you in charge.
Well, I fell asleep.
You fell asleep?
Well, it's not my fault.
You fell asleep and it's not your fault.
He forgot to wake me.
Who forgot to wake you?
It is my fault.
Manuel! I knew it, Manuel!
Don't blame him.
Why not?
That's not really his fault.
Well, whose fault is it then, you clothy-eared bint, Dennis Comptons?
Well, you hired O'Reilly, didn't you? I mean, we all warned you. Who else would do something like this?
I beg your pardon?
You hired O'Reilly.
Oh, I see. It's my fault, is it? Oh, of course. There I was thinking it was your fault because you've been left in charge, or Manuel's fault for not waking you, and all the time it was my fault. Oh, it's so obvious now. I've seen the light. Well, I must be punished then, mustn't I? You're a naughty boy, Fawlty. Don't do it